Let's start creating your design for the custom-shaped interchangeable wood sign using Merchize's template. This sign lets you swap out the top piece anytime, perfect for seasonal or themed designs. Create custom-shaped interchangeable wood sign design with Merchize's templates. This product has two versions, 2-layer and 3-layer version. Each version comes with its own template and mockup. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to design each one. Step 1. Download template files. Go to merchize.com. Enter custom shape interchangeable wood sign in the search box to find a product in our catalog. On the product page, click on the template and mockup tab to find the download link. Select the version you want to create design for. For each version, there are two templates, one for the 6 inches, 8 inches, 10 inches, 12 inches, and 14 inches sizes, and another for the 16 inches, 18 in, 20 in, 22 inches, and 24 inches sizes. Depending on the size you want to design for, download the corresponding template. Part 1. Design 2-layer interchangeable wood sign. Let's start with the 2-layer version first. Step 2. Open the template and explore the structure. You can use Photoshop or any alternative that supports smart object functions. In this tutorial, we'll use Photopea, a free online editing tool. Go to photopea.com, drag and drop the custom-shaped 2-layer interchangeable wood sign template file into the Photopea workspace. Custom-shaped 2-layer interchangeable wood sign. Before we start designing, let's take a look at how this product comes together. The main board is the large wood sign. This is your bottom layer. It stays fixed once assembled. The topper pieces are separate magnetic wood pieces that attach to the sign and can be swapped out anytime. This is your top layer. Now let's look at how these map to the template. You'll see for sections here, cut-shaped pan print design for the top layer or your interchangeable pieces, and cut-shaped pan print design for the bottom layer or the main wood board. Turn on customizable parts to see the complete design example. Notice the green dashed lines on the canvas. These mark the safe print area. Keep all important design details inside these lines. Step 3. Create the cut design for the top layer interchangeable pieces. Let's start with the interchangeable topper. In the Layers panel, find the Smart Object labeled Design Top Layer and double-click its thumbnail to open it in a new tab. Turn off the example layer and turn on Guide. There's no limit on how many interchangeable pieces you design or their size, as long as all your pieces fit inside the safe print area and meet these minimum dimension rules. Place your interchangeable piece design within the safe print area. Each piece in your design must be connected and at least 250 by 250 pixels in overall size, and every line or detail should be at least 20 pixels thick. When you're happy with your design, turn off Guide layer and any other extra elements you don't need. Save Smart Object. Close this tab to return to the main template. Back in the main template, the cut-shape pan print design for the top layer have both been automatically generated from your design. Step 4. Create the cut design for the bottom layer wood sign. Now let's design the main board. In the Layers panel, find the Smart Object labeled Design Base layer and double-click its thumbnail to open it. In the New tab, turn off Sample layer and turn on Guide layer. Place your design within the safe print area. All lines and details should be at least 20 pixels thick. Step 5. Add magnet placement mark. On the wood sign design, you need to add a magnet placement mark, shown as a red circle. This mark shows where to place the iron plate that holds the interchangeable piece in place during assembly. When you're finished, turn off Guide, save and close the tab. Back in the main template, the cutout shape pan printed design for the bottom layer have been automatically generated from your design. Step 6. Export your print file. When you're satisfied with your design, turn off the guide group and any other layers you don't want in the final print file. In Photopea, go to File Gives Export as Gives PNG to export with a transparent background. In Photoshop, go to File Gives Export Gives Quick Export as PNG, or go to File Gives Save a Copy and choose PNG format. Part 2. Design 3-layer interchangeable wood sign. Step 2. Open the template. After downloading the template for the 3-layer interchangeable wood sign, drag and drop the template into Photopea. Similar to the 2-layer version, this option also includes two parts, the main wood sign and interchangeable pieces. The difference is that the fixed wooden sign of this version features two layers instead of just one layer. So, the process is very similar to what we just covered, with one extra layer to design. Let's walk through it. And the interchangeable pieces are your top layer. The print and cut design of the interchangeable pieces are created in these sections. The base layer here refers to the main fixed wood sign. This wood sign features two layers. The top layer of the wood sign is designed in these sections, and the designs for the bottom layer of this wood sign are placed within these two sections. Turn on the customizable parts to see what the completed design looks like. Step 3. Design the top layer interchangeable pieces. Double-click the thumbnail on Design Top Layer to open it in a new tab. Create your interchangeable piece design just like with the two-layer version. Make sure each piece in your design is at least 250 by 250 pixels in overall size, and every line or detail should be at least 20 pixels thick. Save Smart Object and go back to the main template. Step 4. Design the base layer top. This layer is the top layer of the wood sign. You can create a multi-piece design for this layer. Double-click Design. Base layer topped in the Layers panel to open it. Turn off the example layer, turn on the guide, and place your design within the Save Print area. Make sure your details and lines of your design are at least 20 px thick. When it's finished, turn off the guide, save Smart Object and close the tab. Your print and cut design for the base layer top are generated automatically. Step 5. Design the base layer bottom. This layer serves as a background for the top layer of the wood sign. Double-click Design. Base layer bottom in the Layers panel to open it. Turn off the example layer and turn on the guide. The design for this layer should be connected. Make sure all lines and details are at least 20 pixels thick. When it's done, turn off the guide layer, save Smart Object and close the tab. Back to the main template. The print design and cut design for the base layer bottom is now generated. Step 6. Add magnet placement mark. All of the design sections are now filled. The last step before exporting your design is to add a magnet placement mark. You can place the magnet placement mark on either print design for base layer top or print design for base layer bottom. It depends on where you want to attach your interchangeable pieces. If you place your magnet placement mark on the bottom layer, you must make sure that your interchangeable pieces can fit into the base layer and don't overlap with the base layer top. Here's how to check. In the base layer bottom design, paste the design of each interchangeable piece into the canvas to see if it fits. Step 7. Export. If you're happy with the design, turn off the guide and export files. And that's it. Your custom-shaped interchangeable wood sign design is ready to print with a swappable topper piece that lets you refresh the look anytime. Generate mockup images with our mockup file. Now, let's move to creating mockups using our mockup file. Step 1. Download mockup files. From the same template and mockup link, open the mockup folder and download the PSD file. In this folder, you'll also find other mockup preview images. Download the PSD file to your device. Step 2. Open mockup files in Photoshop or Photopea. Just like with template files, you can open mockup files in Photoshop or Photopea. Step 3. Add your design to mockup. In the Artworks group, you'll find two smart objects. One labeled Place Your Design Here 6 in 8 in 10 in 12 in 14 inches, and another labeled Place Your Design Here 16 in 18 in 20 in 22 in 24 inches. Double-click the thumbnail on the one that matches the size you designed for. On the new Smart Object tab, turn off the example layer and turn on the guide layer to reveal the placement outline. Now fill this template with the finished design you already exported from the template file. Once your design is in place, turn off the guide layer and any other unnecessary layers. Then press CT or L+S Windows or CMDS Mac to save. Step 4. Select Mockup option and save mockup file. Back in the main mockup file, turn on and expand the group matching your size, either 6 inches, 8 inches, 10 inches, 12 inches, 14 inches, or 16 in 18 in 20 and 22 in 24 inches. Inside, you'll find 3 numbered subgroups. There are different mockup options for the product. Turn on the icon for the subgroup you want to use, and turn off the other 2. Option 1 shows the wood sign and interchangeable pieces laid out separately, side by side. Option 2 shows the pieces mounted on the wood stand. Since interchangeable piece designs vary in shape and position, you'll need to move the interchangeable piece and remove other unnecessary parts in this mock-up so they line up correctly with your sign design. Option 3 shows the sign hanging from jute twine string. As with Option 2, adjust the interchangeable piece layers so they sit correctly on your sign design. You can choose between these 3 options as well as change the background for your mock-up. If you're satisfied with how your mock-up looks, save it for your own use. You have finished your template and mock-up. It's time to upload your design to our fulfillment system and start selling.